Hey guys, hari ini aku akan membuat video dengan Fathia Izzati, aka No Pansy,
aka blanket. Look, he's wearing a blanket.
Fathia is sick.
Ya, saya kirimin tolak angin.
Ada tolak angin.
Iya.
Fathia,
What?
play a song.
Awesome.
Whatever.
I literally feel like I'm wearing a blanket.
Because guys, fashion statement.
No,
Okay, oh,
like literally, this is like
yeah. Ini bisa kayak
wings for a bag.
like a blanket. Oke, makanan kesukaanmu dan Fathia Izzati. Ditanya juga.
You go first.
Sushi.
Oh, sushi.
Ini kita kayak musuhan nggak sih di kamera? Apa udah cukup dekat jarak di antara kita?
I don't know. You wanna like pause it and
I don't
see?
know.
Karena kalau kejauhan juga kelihatannya aneh.
Iya.
Tapi kalau terlalu dekat juga kelihatannya
Udah
aneh
segini
juga.
aja ya guys, terima. Gue salim Kak Fathia.
Do I have to like do that?
Iya.
then? 'Cause we're older?
Nah. Apa yang membuat kamu suka Fathia?
I like her videos. Oke, aku suka videonya, betulan.
Ya, he like speaks a little special. Enggak. Ya.
Nonton
oke.
21 Accents, keren banget.
Oh, oke. No, itu questionnya kayak rada gimana gitu gak sih, kayak gue kenapa lo kayak so there's nothing to like about me gitu, kayak you guys can't see it without his penjelasan. Ya udah, thank you guys.
That over.
Watch it.
Okay.
Watch it.
It's like
Okay. That's okay.
Perfect.
Let's do it again.
Again?
Yes.
Okay.
Jika kamu diberi 2 permintaan, apa yang kamu mau?
I don't know what that means.
I think anything, kayak duit banyak atau apa.
No, like I literally don't know what that question means.
If you could have 2 wishes.
Oh, if I could have 2 wishes.
Sih, bahasa Indonesia Agung lebih parah daripada mi. Kayak kemarin daripada mi. Nggak, kemarin Agung nanya pengemudi itu artinya apa?
Go. Come on. Shit.
Kenapa nggak nge-review film lagi? Emang dulu suka bikin review film.
Kenapa nggak nge-review film lagi? Copyright.
Oke, kalau kamu bisa beli mobil apapun, kayak what's your dream car?
Lamborghini?
Yeah, no, that's my answer.
Oh, too bad, it's my answer.
Lamborghini, I need a Lambo.
Lambo. Mercy. Lago.
Lamborghini, Mercy, your chick, she's so thirsty.
I'm in that
And
two-chick
you
Lambo
with your girl, she tryna jerk me. Bagaimana rasamu jika rambut kamu botak? Like,
Pas aku mos, rambutku Try it. Okay. See this lip part? Put it like up there in your teeth. Okay, with that make that sound.
yeah, I'm sick.
And then slowly put your lip up to that tongue. It's so hard.
Nice.
You wanna do sound effects?
What? Yeah. No, I cannot. I can do a horse.
Go. Yo, that sounds legit. Wait, tambahin ini.
Yeah, you do that.
Whoa!
That was you. That wasn't me. That was you. That wasn't me.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, it's good. You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
Gung kok bisa collab sama kita? Bisa aja. Gung kenapa? Wow. Gung kenapa hidupmu terlihat sangat senang?
Masa?
Wow. Padahal you have a gloomy disposition.
Mungkin kelihatannya senang banget karena aku hanya mengasih lihat bagian yang senang.
Yeah.
Tapi yang kalian,
ya itu apa yang mungkin selalu dilupain kalian?
YouTuber punya hidup di belakang kamera.
And it's boring.
It's so boring.
Try it. Yeah.
Gung apa kabar?
What? I'm in a Google office, of course.
No, it's nice to hear apa kabar once in a while. Tapi yang sincere gitu kayak
Yeah.
apa kabar? How
Like,
are you?
it's not
Bukan
like
yang kayak
small talk.
yeah. And people just say biasanya orang jawab good. Padahal
But
no,
really
it's not
they're
good
not.
kayak. There's so many other things to say kayak
Fathia, apa kabar?
sakit, terus pusing,
Oh.
terus banyak kerjaan. See, nobody really does that. They just say I'm
Good,
good.
I'm good.
We said 2 more questions dari tadi. One more day, one last question ya.
Last question.
My phone died. iPhone, why?
10 questions rapid fire from you, like yesterday.
Disney or Nickelodeon?
Disney.
Hijau apa kuning?
Aku udah suka
5,
dua-duanya.
4, 3.
Hijau.
Pantai atau hutan?
Hutan. Oh, pantai. Oh, hutan. Hutan.
Labil. Are you a Libra? Be an actor atau be a writer?
Actor.
Harry Potter atau Lord of the Rings?
Harry Potter.
Oh, by the way guys, information about Agung, he does not eat. Like, he does not eat. Tadi aku aja sampai nambah, but he only eat fruits. Kayak, what kind of person are you? Healthy
What kind of person?
healthy lifestyle. Oh, by the way, his favorite Starbucks is Java Chip Frappuccino. So if you want to get him anything, beli dia Java Chip.
Well, that's because that's all I know.
Yeah.